Chelsea and I had first discovered when we were working at our prior employer that we both went to NAS. The NAS connection was kind of like the foundation of our friendship, and as business owners, when we were trying to come up with logos and colors, I was like, that's kind of our common denominator, and so let's go with purple. We've been practicing for a few years in this area, but now on our own, I think we're able to expand upon what we can provide to our community, to our neighbors, to our friends, to our family, bringing services closer to home, specialized services.
We know their grandchildren's name, we know when their birthdays are coming up.
It's really important to us to build those relationships and to bring change to our small hometown community. NAS has been an awesome experience.
The support from the faculty, the staff, all of our professors, they were backing you, they were cheering for you.
They just really pushed us to excel and really prepared us. There's a feeling when you walk on campus, it feels very much like home. For me, I think it's a close-knit community. Whether you walk into the library, you're walking in to, get your lunch, like everyone was always so friendly and greeted you with a smile.
I had friends in all sorts of different majors, really formed strong relationships. I'm still very close with a lot of my past classmates, which is awesome.